Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make pom-poms like this one here. And for that you need some wool and you need pom-pom makers. So for this one I am going to use the second biggest pom-pom maker, and I am going to use this white here. So you open one side of the pom-pom maker and you just start to wrap that around. Make sure it's nice and even, and you just keep on wrapping until this is nice and full. Now, so when you've got that side nice and full, you close it and then you trim off the wool, open the next side and start over here. Hopefully I have enough white to do the whole thing. And I'm going to run out of white, so I'm just going to use a different color, and that's fine. You can actually get some great techniques using different colors anyway, so we'll see how that looks. Okay, so just wrap that around, and I'm going to grab this one just because it has some white in it as well, so it might be nice. So just secure the end of this piece of wool with this one and start wrapping. side nice and full, so close it, trim off the end, and then you're going to cut a length, and this is what you use to tie it in the middle. I'm just going to get a smaller scissors for this part. So you want to start at this end and then just trim the wool. The smaller the scissors, the better really, because you can get into the crack and really trim it good. Do the other side. Don't cut your finger like I nearly just did. So then when we have this done, open it a tiny little piece. Then take this length, pop it through the middle, pull it nice and tight, and then tie it off. Two knots just to make it nice and secure. Then once you have that done, just open up your pom-pom maker. Pull it apart. And give this a little fluff. And then you have a few bits of thread sticking out around here, so I'm going to take a scissors and just trim it all down. Just go around making sure it's nice and even everywhere. So just fluff it up again and get any pieces that you might have missed. So there's a few here. Yeah, I think that looks good. So there we have just one more piece. There we have our pom-pom. So there we have our pom-pom.